Hey everyone, and good day. And so this right here is my review on the Chalkola 60 dry erase markers. So you get 12 colors, it's a chisel tip, and it's a low odor ink. So I've been using these markers to use on my whiteboard that you see right over here. So I have a glass whiteboard, and I use all the markers to basically keep track of the calendars and my to-dos, reminders, etc. But with these 60 dry erase markers, okay, this is what it looks like. You get all the colors included, so you can see there's 12 main colors, but then you also have basically duplicates of each color. Okay, so you have two reds or multiple reds, multiple blacks, multiple greens to kind of equate to that total 60 colors. So this is also going to be pretty useful for schools where there is a lot of whiteboard usage going on, or maybe if you need it for your own home office. Like in my example, I just need it to write on my calendar in my garage, just because I use this to keep track of my priorities, to-do lists, and reminders. So with the Chalkola dry erase markers, it's a low odor ink. This is what it looks like. And if we actually grab the marker, this is the one that I've been using the most, which is just a blue marker. This is what it looks like. So you've got the dry erase. The tip does insert onto the back, like as shown. And then again, you've got that chiseled tip end to actually go ahead and write. So if we actually use a test, we can X this, and there you have it. So dry erase markers, very easy to wipe off. Right now, my eraser is being cleaned, but very easy to wipe off. I've had no problems with this whatsoever.